What's up, you cryptocurrency aficionados? Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. And stay tuned because hit that like and subscribe button because we're going to be diving into something massive right now with Bitcoin. And it's going to be running the rest of the crypto markets as well. So right now, what I started to do is I started to look at Bitcoin because I had a breakout at 97,752. Let me put that level up right over here. Let me get a horizontal line. I should have done this before. 97,731, close enough. We had a breakout level at 97,731. Right now, Bitcoin's like looking like it's in a falling wedge. It kind of broke out of the resistance line once, twice, three times. It hasn't been able to get back to the bottom of this resistance line, which is good. So now if I look for the support point right now, I'm going to take a trend line. I'm going to go off of this massive low right here that we have going up through here. And basically what I want to do is I want to extend this line out. So what I can do is do this. I can go visibility. So I can go coordinates. Let's go. What is the visibility of this thing? Not minutes, not hours, not tick style. Okay, yeah. Extend left, extend right. Here we go. Finally figured it out. Sorry. Okay, I'm basically looking at the intersection of these levels. So that level was that 94,000 that we first talked about, that it had to crawl over to get to 96,000, I think it was 600 or so. But the all important point of Bitcoin is this 97,731. There is going to be resistance if we can pop up through this. There will be resistance at the $100,000 mark. Why? It's definitely a big psychological, subconsciously a big psychological level for people. They might not know it because that's why it's subconscious. But anyway, that level is a very, very important level. There are a lot of people that are along the coin itself, and they're not too happy that it's not, continuing its meteoric rise up above the 110 yet. So right now, what we're looking at in Bitcoin, it's falling back inside of the wedge. So if I take this and I bring this up to the new support point, new resistance level, and I take this line and I bring it down to this new level right here, we are inside that wedge again. It needs to hold this level right here, like say 95,000, which is very, very close. But the main support of this thing is 92,273. I'm getting so tired of saying that number, man. I want it to, break up and start its meteoric rise again, which I think it's going to do. But we got 253 is close enough. We need to hold this 92,253. If it breaks this, got to look at the fear and greed index. Most likely everybody's going into fear. Next level of support is 90,000. 90,000. A punch of through 90,000. We're going back down. I would have to think to right around, let me see what this low, right around 88,500. That I think is an incredible extension. 88,542. I would think that this area right here would be a really great place if it dipped down this level right here to accumulate Bitcoin, to get back above the 92 and get up to the 96, and potentially that 97,731. Let's go on over to XRP, that dog of dogs right now. So XRP, the important point is the 260 level. Short term needs to get above that, hold above that. Then we got above that 273, 270. Okay, 270, 297, 273. There is the ultimate support for this thing is at 240, 240, right down here. Actually, it's 241, but I'll go down to 240 for slippage, for skid. 240, that's fine. That is the ultimate support for this thing. If this coin, and it's going to be following Bitcoin, so if Bitcoin starts to dump, this coin is dumping, heading down towards the 241, then what happens is that we're going to be back in that old range that we were in for a long time, which was around the 230 to 236. Like we'll be in this area right here. 230 to 236 level. I think this is another good level, like in here, 228, 230, 236. This would be another good area to accumulate the coin. Obviously, you got to pay attention to price action, because if Bitcoin really does dump, we're going back towards the 120, which is not a problem whatsoever. But for people that got long up in this area, they're not going to be too happy about it. As you can, we've all been in that position, right? You got long up in there looking for $3. Didn't happen. So first level that we need to get over is got to be this 260 level, and then we got to get over the 273 right behind it in order to show that it's recovering and heading up to the all-important 282. 282 right there, that level. So right now this thing is in nowhere land, just like Bitcoin is like kind of consolidating, hasn't made its major move either way. I would think that most likely we're going to see some more downside drift before we see the break up. So that's what I got for you guys in cryptos. Please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Make sure you don't forget to ring the bell, and remember, always, 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 always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.